Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the Epson SureColor SC-P900 large format printer Wi-Fi inkjet. This beast of a machine is designed to take your printing experience to the next level, and I'm excited to dive in and show you all the amazing features it has to offer. From outstanding image quality to professional media handling, this printer is a game changer for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints with ease. First, let's talk about the image quality. The Epson SureColor SC-P900 uses all-new UltraChrome PRO10 ink with violet, which produces a wide color gamut for vibrant and rich colors. This means that your prints will have a level of depth and detail that's hard to find in other printers on the market. Whether you're a professional photographer, a graphic designer, or just someone who loves to print out your favorite photos, this printer is going to deliver results that will blow you away. The colors are so vivid and lifelike, you'll feel like you're looking at the real thing. And with a resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi, you can be sure that every detail will be crisp and clear. Another key feature of the Epson SureColor SC-P900 is the new 10-channel MicroPiezo AMC printhead. This thing is a powerhouse, consistently delivering prints with outstanding speed, consistency, and accuracy every single time. Whether you're printing out a single photo or a large batch of documents, this printhead is going to get the job done quickly and efficiently. And with dedicated nozzles for both black ink types, you'll never have to worry about switching ink again. This is a huge time saver, and it's going to make your printing experience so much more convenient. Now let's talk about media handling. The Epson SureColor SC-P900 can accommodate rolls and sheet media up to 1.5 millimeters thick, which is pretty impressive. This means that you can use a wide range of papers and materials, including Epson Professional, signature-worthy, and legacy papers, as well as third-party media. Whether you're printing out photos, artwork, or documents, you'll have the flexibility to choose the perfect paper for the job. And with the easy-to-use interface, you'll be able to navigate through the different media options with ease. But what really sets the Epson SureColor SC-P900 apart is how easy it is to use. The 4.3-inch customizable touchscreen is intuitive and responsive, making it simple to navigate through the different settings and options. And with wireless connectivity, you can print files directly from your device using the Epson Print app. This is a huge convenience, as you won't have to worry about connecting cables or transferring files to a computer. And with the interior LED light, you'll be able to see exactly what you're doing, even in low-light conditions. Plus, the compact design of the printer is 23% smaller than the previous generation, making it perfect for small studios or home offices. In conclusion, the Epson SureColor SC-P900 large format printer Wi-Fi inkjet is an incredible machine that's going to take your printing experience to the next level. With its outstanding image quality, professional media handling, and easy-to-use interface, it's the perfect solution for anyone looking to produce high-quality prints with ease. Whether you're a professional or just someone who loves to print out your favorite photos, this printer is going to deliver results that will blow you away. So if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the Epson SureColor SC-P900. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today.